So, what's up, guys? What's up? So, I'm taking on a new challenge right now. I'm doing a wallpaper for my bestie, for my friend. Never done this before. It's my first time. But I've done the wallpaper with the adhesive at the back of it already. And this one is just to put the glue on the back of it. So, I'm going to show you in a second what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'll show you guys. Good. So, this is what I've done so far. So this is basically 2 strips. You can see here the seam. I have the roller. I rolled it out as much as I could to get rid of this. But for my first time, I mean, it's pretty much cool, isn't it? Look. I love this wallpaper. The pattern is beautiful. It's lovely. I do like it. I'm not for getting it to be the same, going the straight way. I don't want that. I just put them up randomly. So for this wall here, hi Shawnee, say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do this entire wall here, and I've already cut out each pieces. So I got for this wall here, it's like 7.5, but I cut eight pieces. So I still have 6 more to go. Yeah, so I have my pieces here that I've already pre-cut that I need to put up, and this is the glue that I'm using. I'm not promoting anything, it's just a Eason kit, white glue, and the brush to paint it on, to put the glue on the back of the wallpaper. Yes, so that it becomes tacky like this, yeah. And then you just put it on the wall. Once it's on the wall, you line it up properly, and then you use this to make sure there's no bubbles in the underneath the wallpaper, so it looks smooth and flat like this. Yeah, and then for the joints where they join together, here you get this, and you just rub it basically to get it looking seamlessly as you possibly can. Yeah. And just rub it in. And yeah. So those ones at the top, I'm gonna cut those strips off that's touching the roof, the ceiling. Yes, so it's gonna be like one leveled line, the same way I did at the bottom here. So when you're doing this, I don't cut it the exact length of the wall. I give it a few inches more so that I can have those excess, you know, so that when you cut it, everything's leveled and flushed. Yes, so I'm gonna continue, and then I'll let you guys see. You just continue watching. So guys, I've done all of this today. And then I did that side. I still have those pieces cut to the top, so it looks like that. And then I just have this bit left and I'm finished. Yay! And now we are at the finished look.